Got it here, MRE from Spain. Looks like it's in English. Armed Forces, Individual Combat Ration, and best before use 04/2023. So this one is a new one. Let's unbox it and let's see what they got inside. And I think this is a breakfast menu number 4. There you go. We have a little pack like this, tiny little box. Let's unbox it, see what's inside here. Instructions. Wow, that is a really tiny MRE over here. Coffee. Another coffee. It is just breakfast though. Not really sure what this is. I only can understand it says lemon. It says right here disinfectant, some kind of gel, disinfectant gel. Wash your hands. I think this side here is going to be some kind of jam. We'll have to taste it to figure it out. Looks like this one is a cream dental fluoride, so like a toothpaste. More jam seems to be. Another one. What is this? Galeta Dulce. So I think this is like crackers. Ooh, check this out. Matches. Paper matches. Couple of tablets, probably purifying water tablets. This one is cereal with fruits, looks like. Says do not eat that. We have right here a little stove. So this is a dry fill, and this is going to be napkin. And this right here is a stove for the dry fill. Cool. And what is this? A toothbrush. Wow, they give you actual toothbrush in each one of them. Looks like a mint candy over here. And last we got it here, chocolate bar. Wow, not a lot of stuff. So all you get for breakfast is some kind of like cereal over here. Let's see what's in here. A whole bunch of crackers. I guess you'll be just drinking, I guess you'll be just eating jam and crackers and cereal with some coffee, that's it. And I give you this right here to boil the water. So just one of those dry fill cooking sets right here. It looks like a little bit different. It goes probably this way right here. That's cool. So you put dry fill tablet into here, use the matches and boil water in the container that you're probably going to have. Obviously you open it up. That's definitely different stuff right here. That's cool. Let's rinse off our hands real quick. You see? This is like alcohol. Oh yeah, it feels like gel. Alright, I'm gonna go boil water. I'm not gonna be boiling water with this. Obviously it works. This thing's actually pretty good, and you have 2 of them to boil plenty of water for your coffee. This looks like coffee instant. Okay, then we got boiling water. Ooh, wow, that's really dark. 1 packet is plenty. Okay, let's see what this is. Probably put it in a regular water. Yeah, it's like a lemon flavor thing. Probably the same kind of energy. And mix it. Yes guys, there's no sugar. I guess all that is gonna be kind of sweets anyways. So you're not gonna have like actual breakfast. It's a bunch of like snacks. Ooh, this is a condensed milk. My goodness. You know what? You can put it in a coffee. Condensed milk is so good. You can put it in a coffee. It's just like milk, and at the same time very sweet. It has like ton of calories in that. You can put it on cracker as well. So now we're gonna mix it, and look, we have creamer in there too. I think all 3 of them is a condensed milk. Let's make it sweet. Put some coffee, put some on a crackers. Okay, and now I'm happy with my breakfast. I love condensed milk. Okay, that's a really dark coffee. Okay, that's really sweet. Okay, I'm so happy this is condensed milk. This whole thing is awesome. Okay, now we're gonna taste test everything. We'll start with condensed milk crackers. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Interesting breakfast though, for sure. Crackers with condensed milk, granola bar, and a bar of chocolate. There goes your breakfast. Very interesting. I don't think I've ever seen breakfast like that. There's a cereal, snacks. You know what? There's a cereal bar. Actually tastes really good. It's a cookies. Coffee is pretty strong. Wow. I don't know if you guys ever had a condensed milk just like that. Usually they use it for baking cookies and stuff, and cakes. But by itself it's so good. But one can has like 1,000 calories. It's so good. Okay, there's the chocolate bar. Definitely had seen better days. It just got melted. That's why it's lost like discolorations. But it's one of those like milk chocolates, not very dark. Also, it's very, very soft, fluffy chocolate. But man, condensed milk and crackers, I'll take it. I'll survive on that. I can't believe they let you eat all that. Usually MREs are super healthy. Last thing we have to do is brush our teeth and eat some gum. Lots of nice paper napkins. Probably save those for later. There's the toothbrush. You open this and flip it open. Boom. And there's chloride toothpaste. Interesting. A lot of it. Mint. Okay, this lemon thing. I don't know. It doesn't taste so good. I'd rather drink water by itself. Yeah. Okay, and gum for the good spirits. The gum is definitely peppermint. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? This is definitely one of a kind MREs I've seen. A bunch of snacks. It didn't feel like breakfast, but maybe that's what Spain consider breakfast, you know. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.